Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to connect hosting your Horizons web app with Supabase. First is access the Supabase integration in hosting your Horizons. Log into your Hostinger panel and navigate to your Horizon project. Within the Horizons interface, locate and click on the Supabase button in the top right corner. Step 2. Add your Supabase organization. In the Supabase integration window, click on the Add Organization option. Follow the prompts to connect your Supabase account. If you don't have a Supabase account yet, you'll be guided to create one during the process. Step 2. Configure the integration. Once your Supabase account is connected, Hosting Your Horizons will provide specific SQL commands and instructions to set up the necessary database tables and configurations. Execute these SQL commands in your Supabase project to establish the required database schema. Step 4. Deploy your web application. After completing the integration, ensure that your web application is deployed to reflect the changes. And click the Deploy button in the top right corner of the Horizons interface to publish your app with the Supabase integration. And that's basically it.